this one taste better. Hi, I'm Lauren from Kids Create, and today we are gonna do an oven versus easy baked oven challenge. This is how this challenge is going to work. So we're gonna have the easy baked oven here, and we are gonna have the regular oven there. There's gonna be one judge, but she won't know which one is the easy baked brownie or the oven brownie. And we're gonna make it from the same batter, same everything, just from two different things. And she's gonna say what it looks like. So we're gonna be making this fudge brownie mix, and we're gonna be putting it in the half in the easy baked oven and half in the regular oven. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna make this box according to the directions: eggs, oil, and water. Stir with your spatula.
Nora.
Now grease your easy baked oven pan and add 1/3 cup brownie mix. Now put your brownie mix in the easy baked oven for 15 minutes and let cool for about 3. Now pour your remaining brownie mix in your pan that is greased. Now we're gonna put this great yummy mix into the oven, and let's see how Nora likes them both when they're done. Now both brownies are done. We're gonna let Nora taste. We're gonna let Nora taste them and see which one wins. Okay, so Nora, here are the rules. So for each brownie, you're gonna take one bite. One's an easy baked brownie and one's an oven brownie. When you're done with one bite, you're gonna add a glass of water and drink some. And then at the end, you're gonna say which one you think tastes better and give it out of 5 stars. Okay. Which one do you want to eat first? One bite. Oops, it's fine. Do you like that? What does this one taste like to you, and how do you like it? Easy to bake. What do you think this is? Oven. Well, do you like this one or this one better? You like the oven one better? Yeah. You are true. This is also the oven and this is the easy bake. And one more thing. How many stars did you give this? Out of 5 stars. 5. This one? 3. Great. I'm Lauren from Kids Create, and this is my sister Nora. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe down below, and come check out our channel. Bye.